This is a 1960s Sears Roebuck table fan. I have owned this fan since 2012 and actually made a video of it way back in 2012 when I first got it. I got it from a thrift store for $15, and when I first got it, it was in pretty bad condition. The cage was very bent and there was paint all over the blades. There actually still is paint on the blades, and the cage itself had been rusting pretty badly, which I painted over a little bit, but you can still tell that it's in rough shape. And another thing about this fan is it does not have an oscillator. Normally these fans would come with oscillators, but I'm guessing it must have broken off over time or something. But here's what it looks like from the front. Here's what it looks like from the back. Oh, sorry. And let's go ahead and start it up for you. Oops. There we go. It's actually very quiet. The humming you hear, by the way, is from it not having an oscillator. Alright, I'm going to switch it back up to high. And let's do spin down. Yeah, there it is. And I hope y'all enjoyed. I will see you later.